In this question, you have to point out the incorrect match. Option A, Lambras is to diplotin bivalence chromosome. Now it is a correct match because Lambras chromosomes are large chromosomes found in the diplotin stage of meiosis, especially in the oocytes of amphibians. Hence it is incorrect option. Option B, allosomes is to sex chromosome. Now this is also correctly matched pair because allosomes are another term for sex chromosomes, that is the X and the Y chromosome in case of human being. Hence it is incorrect option. Option C, polytene is to oocytes of amphibians chromosome. Now this pair is incorrectly matched because polytene chromosomes are not found in amphibian oocytes, but they are found in the salivary glands of dipteran insects such as Drosophila. Hence this is the correct option. Option D, submetacentric is to L-shaped chromosome. Now this is also a correctly matched pair because submetacentric chromosomes have the centromere slightly off the center, leading to one big arm and one small arm, and this results in a L-shaped during cell division. Thus it is incorrect option.